The Vochlea Dubler Studio Kit 2 lets you sing, hum, or beatbox ideas and turns them into precise MIDI notes and drum patterns in real time, which feels far more natural than programming parts by hand. Its included condenser microphone is tuned specifically for the Dubler software, so tracking is responsive and stable without a complicated studio setup. The Dubler 2 software integrates smoothly with major digital audio workstations, so you can control virtual instruments, trigger drums, and sketch arrangements using only your voice. Latency is impressively low, making it realistic to perform melodic lines, bass parts, and rhythms live without the distracting delay that many voice-controlled tools suffer from. Because the kit combines both hardware and software in one package, it is easy for beginners to get started while still offering enough depth for experienced producers. Vochlea backs the system with tutorials and online resources that help you refine pitch detection, drum triggering, and mapping so the kit fits neatly into your existing workflow.